Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how we can cut image half of diagonally in Canva. Okay, so there is a few methods I will show you one by one. So let me start the video. Okay guys, so here we are this is my image, and in Canva, so there is no any option, direct option to crop or cut your image diagonally. Okay, so there is a, you can see when you click on image, you can see this is a resize icon. You can crop this like this from horizontal or vertical only. Okay, so if you want to cut this image like this, so there is a few methods. First method, you can simply put image on middle. Okay, like this. Okay, resize it. Okay, put at the middle. Now just scroll or rotate that image like this. Okay, and just make it 30%. Okay, just keep your angle as you want. Once you're done, go to the share, go to the see all, and just copy the clipboard. Now we have copied the clipboard. Once you copy, just delete original one and paste that copied clipboard. Okay, you can remove the background. Okay, don't remove the background. Now here you can see this is resize icon. Just resize it from here. From here also cut down. Okay, like this. Okay, now you can simply rotate again this image and keep reset original position like this 30%. So now you can see this is a diagonally cutted image, look like this. Okay, now you can resize it. Okay, so the next method is, let me undo everything. So this is my original image. Okay, the second method is simply you can use the shapes. Okay, just keep the image on the middle, go to the elements and search for shapes. Okay, we have the shapes here. You can use these shapes. Okay, now we can just rotate like this. Now just cut that, put on the corner on this image. You can change that color as same as background color. You can copy it. Now just rotate it and cut at another corner from another corner on image like this. Okay, you can make the corner very sharp. Now we have this element, three elements here. If you go to the position, here we can see this is two shapes and one image we have. So now what we can do, you can select that three elements like this and make it group. Once you group, you can move it together. You can also resize with it together. Okay, now if you want to crop this size, if you want to crop this image with exact size, here we have elements, shapes, here also we have shapes. So if you want to crop it, so you can do one thing, same, go to the click outside, go to the share, go to the see all, copy the clipboard. Once it copy, delete that original, paste here again. Now can crop from here, so you can crop that image perfectly, and it is look like cut, it's look like cut diagonally. Okay, so this is the second method, And third method, you can simply let me undo everything. You can, okay. Okay, this is our original image. The second method, you can simply use, go to the elements, use the frames. Here under the frames, go to the see all, and you can choose that diamond frames and put that image into it. Now you can resize it and just double click on it and just make sure which part you want to make visible and just click done. Okay, so this is also look like crop like diagonally. Okay, so here the side cut look like. So you can use these steps. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.